Most of students' preparation for the civil services examination is based on completing the syllabus, current affairs preparation, and answer writing practice. However, today's civil services examination is not a test of syllabus, current affairs, writing skills, and language. Therefore, the students whose preparation is focused on all these things, they generally face difficulty to qualify this exam and end up getting poor score, and they struggle and suffer a lot to get their desired success in this exam. For the Indian civil service, it is the end of rule based system and the beginning of a new era of role based system. These all things were relevant and workable in rule based system but lost their significance and are not workable in role based system. The government of India is transforming its civil service to meet the challenges of the 21st century and rapid economic development needs, for which it is shifting from the current rule based system to a role based or a competency based system of strategic human resource management. Therefore, UPSC is emphasizing selecting those candidates who have the ability and dispositions to work in higher civil services according to the role based system. The ability and dispositions to work in higher civil services is the suitability criteria to select the most suitable candidates for higher civil services. The ability and dispositions of a person are determined by his intellectual identity or his intellectual development. Therefore, the civil services examination tests candidates' intellectual identity. The main component of the intellectual identity of a person are his knowledge, skills, and attitude. That is why the civil services examination tests candidates' quality of knowledge, higher order skills, and their positive attitude toward public service to select the most suitable candidates for higher civil services. UPSC is continuously increasing the complexity and uncertainty of the civil services examination to assess candidates' higher order skills. Higher order skills are crucial for civil servants to work and be productive in today's complex and challenging environment. Higher order skills are core intellectual competencies and are recognized as leading 21st century skills. And these skills are the result of a person's intellectual traits. To get more clarity and detailed understanding about the civil services examination of the 21st century and three key factors of high performance, that is strategic in focus, the science of learning and the best practices, and the ability to sustain attention, watch higher level orientation program. This program will empower you to create a qualitative difference in your preparation for the civil services examination and will enable you to achieve your desired success in less time in this exam. This program includes 35 plus video lectures and is completely free. After successfully completing this program, you will never be misguided in your preparation for the civil services examination. This program is available in a structured format on the PTSX online platform, that is ptsx.org, and will also be available on the YouTube channel of the PTSX.